There is an important story unfolding on the construction site of the new Shands at University of Florida Cancer Hospital in Gainesville. The story starts with actions as simple as sweeping. This isn't just to be neat. Regular sweeping means cleaner air for workers. It will lead to cleaner air for cancer patients, their families, and the staff members who will work here every day. Pushing a broom may not look like saving the planet, but it's one of dozens of steps, both small and big, taking this project toward LEED certification.
LEED is an acronym for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. It's a set of standards established by the U.S. Green Building Council, and it's used to define criteria for environmental and energy-saving design and construction practices.
At its core, LEED is a long list of actions companies can take for more sustainable building. The list includes 69 possible credit points. Earn enough of those credits and the project can achieve certification and be registered with the USGBC. To reach the LEED Silver certification, you must earn 33 to 38 points.
It's really an outward sign of the things that we feel are important that we do internally. There are many decisions that we make daily about sustainability, about saving energy, about taking care of our environment that take place every day, and you never really have a chance to put a label on them and show people what you're doing. So LEED certification is important from that perspective.
Achieving LEED certification on a project like this starts long before breaking ground.
Decisions have to be made early on regarding site selection, building design, material usages, and that kind of thing. It's hard to change after you've started.
The expertise of a company like Skanska is essential.
Skanska's experience with the LEED process really helped us on some of the early components of this project. For instance, there was an old hotel on this site. Demolition of that hotel with a less experienced contractor might not have seen 96% of that hotel recycled. So that type of decision and knowledge up front helped us.
Recycling is a big part of the LEED process that has a lot of impact.
We recycle wood, metal, cardboard, concrete, and paper. And as to date, we have kept 11,000 tons of material out of the landfills.
But recycling is just the start. The list of LEED credits on this project is long and varied.
We're also pursuing credits related to site selection. By being near to bus lines, we're able to get credits. We're also able to get credits for providing parking spaces for carpool and low-emission vehicles. We're using water-efficient fixtures in the building that enables us to get certain credits related to water efficiency. Also our roof, we've got a white roof membrane that allows sunlight to be reflected rather than absorbed.
We have a clean duct protocol. Every piece of ductwork that shows up on this job site is covered, both ends. Okay, and when the ductwork is installed, the end is also covered. And this is to ensure that our ductwork stays dust-free.
They set up a truck wash during excavation using recycled water, and every single truck went through it. That's 10,000 trucks, and all the water was reclaimed to be used again.
Using the truck wash kept all the construction debris, the mud, any trash from going into the storm systems, which go into the rivers and the creeks and the lakes around Gainesville.
The attention to detail costs more initially, but managers know over the long term, the savings through efficiency earn those extra costs back and more.
A lot of the LEED design elements are centered around energy efficiency. With energy prices the way they are now, that cost up front could be recouped quickly over the long term by energy savings.
There are even greater benefits in health, the health of people and the health of the community.
What excites me about this project is every subcontractor on this project is bought into our LEED certification process.
We're building a state-of-the-art facility to heal people. We should also have a building that heals the environment, or at the very least doesn't harm the environment.
We've really worked on trying to capture that healing component of mind, body, and spirit, pulling it all together and making something that is a quality environment.
Building a better way, a more sustainable way. It is a challenge many more companies are taking on for the health of our communities and the health of our future.